Blacked out 4x4 here. Welcome back to another one. We are here outside the repair shop. I was actually just getting something else done, and I just love what's going on behind us over there with the cathedral. It's a beautiful spot, so I thought we will do today's video right over here. So we are doing a modification to the back end of the truck. I've ordered something awesome. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to put it on and see how everything goes. So follow me. Let's go to the back of the truck and let's grab this huge box. Honestly, not in the greatest shape. I really don't know how this made it to my place, but it surely made it, and excited to get it open. I haven't done an opening of this box yet, so I'm super excited to open this with you guys. So it's going to be like an unboxing and then an installation. So I'm going to grab my trusted knife and we're going to get this one open. Okay, so we got a little box here. I'm not even too sure what's in here. It's all a mystery. Okay, so we got the letters F and R. I'm going to just mention this real quick, that the panel that we're putting at the back there is not a licensed Ford product, so obviously they don't include the letters on the panel. So we're going to probably have to screw this in or snap it in. Alright. I gotta say, it's packaged pretty well, although the box wasn't in the greatest shape or form. Ooh boy. Alright guys, take a look at this. Wow. Alright, so we're going to figure out how to get these letters on quickly, the F and the R, and then I'm going to show you exactly where this is going to go at the back. Stay tuned. Alright, so these are clips. I can clearly see them over here. So we're going to clip these in. Now we just hit the first speed bump. And that is, this box, this packaging didn't come with 3M tape. So yeah, already not going as well as I wanted it to go. As well, I just noticed that they have these holes here, and these holes are for a Ford Plaque. So you can actually, not Ford, but the F-150 I believe, and that's missing too. So there's quite a few items that are missing from this box. I'm not sure if the way this was packaged or if it was opened in customs or something happened, something slipped out, but I don't really care about that one as much, except for the fact that there's exposed holes over there. So already not really going to give this the best of reviews. I don't know if I'd really highly recommend this, but since we have it, we are going to try to get it on, and we're going to see if we can pick up some 3M tape to stick this on, and yeah, see how it goes. I'm going to be contacting this company on Amazon and letting them know exactly what's missing. Okay, so we got the letters on. Had to actually use some of the screws that were already on the O and on the, I believe on the D, and we just reinforced the F and the R to make sure that they stay well. So the screws were missing for the letters, the 3M tape is missing, and the F-150 would have been right over here, that's missing. But if we can get some 3M tape, I'm going to show you exactly where this is going to go. Yeah, it's just, I'm hoping that I can get it on today for this video. Just have to call up some people with everything that's going on around the world right now. A lot of, especially here in Toronto, or just the Ontario region, a lot of things are in lockdown, they're closed. Yeah, it's tough. But yeah, hopefully we can get the 3M tape, hopefully we can get this on, and hopefully I can get this video to you guys as soon as possible. Alright, so we actually just managed to open up the panel right over here, so we could remove the Ford logo, the Ford emblem, which is right over here. So this actually causes a bit of a hump at the back, and then what ends up happening is the panel doesn't sit flush with the tailgate. So without this, now it should sit flush. We got some 3M tape coming our way, so we should be able to get this project done today. Oh, and let it dry. Let it thoroughly dry too. Okay, to my surprise, it's holding pretty well to the edges. All right, so it's done. You know, we managed. It's on. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. To be quite honest with you, if you need stronger 3M tape, I may have to take this off and then put it back on. But so far, so good. It looks really beefy. I'm just taking it in now. I'm really just taking it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to put this plaque, Ford plaque, Raptor style plaque onto your tailgate. I'm gonna have a link below for this, but I not really recommend this brand, and it's, I don't know, I'm just I was just put off with a few things that are missing. To recap, what's missing is the 3M tape, as well as there was supposed to be some kind of badging that was supposed to go here. I would assume F-150 was supposed to go right over here, but I'll just have the link below in case you want to see it. So if you guys like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. You know where the real subscribe button is. A little one will pop up right now at the bottom of the screen, just to remind you to subscribe if you haven't yet. And until next time, you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.